What time is the party tomorrow? Oh, sorry.
He's just so cute. Shaney loves his daddy. The minute daddy gets home, the games begin.
Shaney.
He plays chase. Huh? You love to play chase with daddy, huh? Go get daddy.
Come get me, buddy.
Go get him.
Shaney, come.
Here he comes. Go get him. Go get him. Whoa, whoa. He's, oh, he almost did the splits. Where's daddy? Look at him. He's got the hiccup.
Hi. Bye.
Colby, they're being silly, huh? Says he's gonna climb in there. He wants you to push him in that thing.
You want to get in?
He likes to sit in there.
Shane, you want to get in? Okay, here we go. Let's get you in. Boop, boop.
Here we go. Go for a ride. See you later, Shane.
You want to hold on to your spoon? Here we go.
Whee! You guys are funny.